Hey everyone, Hap Chef here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook 炸酱面. What sets it apart from other noodle dishes is the sauce. 炸酱 means fried sauce. So let's get prepared. Now we try to make the sauce. 炸酱面 important is got two different soya bean sauce. One is soya bean sauce paste and one is sweet soya bean paste. So I here got a 250 gram pork mince, 15% fat. So now we're going to cook the sauce. The 炸酱面 is important. It's the sauce, very important. Fried sauce. So the pork is cooked. Now you can see I put the pork on the side. Okay. So now I add garlic in the middle and ginger. So let it slowly cook. So keep going, fry them. Now they smell very good. And now we can add shiitake mushroom. cooking, keep a small fire cook. Now you can add little bit cooking oil. And little bit dark soy sauce. Soy sauce, normal soy sauce. You add the water. So now keep going cook, slowly cook until the oil and meat is separate. So now you can add a little bit black pepper. So you can see the sauce now, oil and meat is separate. The top is oil. So main we nearly just get a little bit cook a little bit longer. So the sauce, 炸酱 sauce ready. Beautiful. Some bean shoots, carrots, little bit cucumber, and yellow egg, and sauce in the middle. And little bit spring onion. So that is 炸酱面。